Here are the 10 golden teachings of Swami Vivekananda. 1. Be courageous in the face of troubles. Life consists of both the good and the bad. And one needs to be strong enough to sail through the bad days for the good ones to come. That day you accept this, you will not only be filled with the strength to face the world, but also be more positive in the wake of troubles and hardships. 2. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. How often does it happen that we give up on the face of inconveniences and give up on our goal? Swami Vivekananda, as he believes that we are persistent enough while working towards something, you are meant to succeed. So, it doesn't matter if you fail over and over again, because if you keep trying, you will reach your goal one day or the other. 3. Believe in yourself. If you wish to change the world, you need to believe in yourself first. This teaching of Vivekananda is meant to empower every human being into realizing the potential that exists within them. And also, just because you are different, it doesn't mean that you are wrong. So, you need to believe in yourself and keep walking on the path which you think is right for you, without giving in to others' opinion. 4. You need to struggle to grow. What if everything comes easy to you? Then you will never reach your maximum potential. You need to keep testing yourself and your limit in order to arrive at the truest and best version of yourself. So, the next time you face a dead end, remember this and try to overcome it. 5. Real happiness comes from being selfless. If you have the resources, you need to be willing to contribute those resources for the greater well-being of others around you. If you involve yourself in selfless acts of kindness, you will reach a sense of happiness, which will be immeasurable. 6. Be the best version of yourself. Swami Vivekananda propagated the idea of individuality. He believed that there are certain moralistic codes to which everyone should adhere, but that does mean that one should blindly follow these things. You need to question what you hear, analyze it, and then incorporate it into your life. He was completely against any sort of blind adherence, but propagated the idea that we are different from each other, and thus have an individualistic perspective of looking at things. 7. The importance of self-introspection. Whatever you do in your life, you should be at peace with yourself. You need to self-introspect, to not only know what you really want from your life, but also to analyze yourself and find scope for within. Vivekananda believed that only you have the potential to correct yourself, so you need to keep yourself in check and keep on understanding your innermost desires. 8. Honesty is the best policy. We all need to be honest, no matter the circumstances that we are faced with. Obviously, your actions will always have some consequences, but you cannot twist the facts or lie in order to lead an easier life. Thus, another key teaching of Swami Vivekananda is that the only way to live life is through walking a path founded on the grounds of honesty. 9. All creations of God are born equal. He believed that God made us all humans equal, and therefore us, as His creations, have no right to discriminate on the basis of religion, caste, or gender. That's why, as a social reformer, he stood for the rights of women and lower castes, and strongly advocated their position in the society. 10. Importance of empathy towards fellow beings. Nature of the world is decided by humans who reside in it. So, if all of humanity is empathetic towards one another and believes in working for the well-being of others, then the world would also be kind towards us. He teaches us to be humble and helpful towards our fellow human beings, and help those who are actually in need.